In this video, we are going to be learning about the random module by making a money game. And this video is for beginners, and if you're willing to learn about the random module, then this video is for you. I'm Ratio Code, and we are going to be making a game. Okay, so basically what this game does is it prompts you if you want to do lottery or math. If you do math and you get the question right, then it gives you $5. So that's the main way to make money. Okay, and then if you type in 1000, that means quit, essentially. So then you can go back to the lottery or math question and then say you want to do the lottery. There's a small chance of winning it, but it only costs $1 and it gives you $1,000 if you win. So we can go back to math whenever we want. Math. And then we have 14, 18, etc. Now, how does this work? So basically the random module is a module that lets you generate random numbers or something in a set of strings, but in this we are going to be generating a random numbers. Okay, so of course for a game like this we need to create the cash variable, and if you don't remember, a variable is essentially a container that stores a value. So here we have cash is equal to 0, and then you're probably wondering why I put answer is equal to none. That's just to tell the computer answer is something, but you don't actually want to define the type of it yet. Okay, so while true just says do this always until the loop breaks. So we take the input lottery or math, which is what we see here, so we see that works. And then, like, if I enter lottery, which I didn't, then if the number is equal to 57, that's generated, so it's a 1 in 100 chance. It takes away 10 cash to play, but it adds 1,000 cash if you win. But then if it fails, you just lose 1 cash. And that seems to be a little bug here. These need to be the same. And then it prints fail and then it prints you cash, which is what happened here. So if the input is wrong, which it is here, then it generates 2 random numbers. In this case it's 9 and 9. They can be different, but that was just unlikely. And then it prints 9 times 9, not the answer, but the question, and then it prompts you for the input. And it's saying, if the answer is equal to the product, which is already defined by the computer, but not printed, then you add 5 to your cash, which is what happened here. So as you can see, we're gaining 5 cash every time we answer a question correctly. And yeah, so, and if the answer is equal to 1,000, then that just means break, because nothing from 1 to 12 times, like 12 times 12 is the largest equation you can make with numbers to 12, and that's less than 1,000 of course, so we're just using that as a quit. And you're like, why don't you just type quit? Well, we prompt the input as an integer. So an integer is just a whole number, so if we typed quit, then there would be an error. And then we break this loop, and we go back to take is equal to input. And then otherwise, if the answer is wrong, then it just prints the cash and it keeps looping through this loop. Okay, we're going to run this a few more times, and then I'm going to end the video. So what if we're going to lottery first? That's probably not a good idea, but we can try. So now we're going into debt. Yeah, so let's say to math again to recover from that. And as you can see, we have $3 because -2 plus 5 is 3. And now we know this is 40, 27, 8, 56, 20, 36, 60, 33, and as you can see, it goes for as long as you want, and you can make quite a bit of money in this game. And soon in another video, I'm going to teach you how to make graphics for a game like this with either Pygame and or Python Turtle, so be alert for that. Subscribe to make sure you see when that's coming. And I'm not just saying that, that's not how I'm going to end the video. I'm going to keep going. But as you can see, there are of course some problems with code and sometimes it just stops. And you'd have to run it again. Lottery. And then as you can see, you can go into the lottery. And in that game in that video where I add graphics, I'm also going to make it so you can do different kinds of lottery and there's more ways to make money. Like, I'm going to make it so you can actually invest money. So that's going to be a pretty exciting video that you will want to watch. And then we have -$5, so if I got a question right, we should have $0, of course. And now we have $0. And as you can see, it keeps going. And also, if you're watching my videos, you can, like, if you want, you can do other things while watching my videos. If you don't like a certain part, or if you don't care about a certain part. I do that when I'm watching videos. And as you can see, these are the same question. They're just reversed. Okay, I'm gonna end the video now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much if you watched all the way to the end. That makes me really happy. Have a good day.